Meet Nicole Allofus. Nicole has a very cool e-com site where she sells her very cool vintage toys. Nicole's trying to find the best digital marketer for her business, but gets disappointed every single time.
Hello, my name's John, and I'm the founder, co-founder, and CEO of John Johnson & Sons Digital Marketing and Beyond.
Hey, John. So, how many are you at one-man show?
A lot.
Okay. Do you have anybody that specializes in digital campaigns for vintage toys?
Do I? Want to meet him?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, I'm Jimmy. I'm a digital marketer specialized in vintage toys.
Nicole has a medium-sized business. She doesn't need a big agency where she'll get lost and won't receive the personal one-on-one attention she deserves.
My motto is personal makes perfect, and we treat each client as a special, independent, and unique diamond. Do you like diamonds?
Oh, well, I never...
No, honey, I wasn't talking to you. 1 second.
Pitch after pitch, interview after interview, Nicole just keeps trying, only to be let down time after time.
Before we talk about the payment, can we talk about strategy?
Money wiring strategy, yeah.
Digital marketing strategy.
Oh, for sure. So when the money hits the bank, as in when your money hits my bank, and I'll take care of everything, you go and have your fun.
Want to meet our Google specialist, Joanna?
Feeling tired of endless sales pitches made by random digital marketers that you really can't trust with your marketing budget? Meet Mayple, a deep job platform with everything you need to expand your brand. Top vetted marketers, perfect matching algorithm, AI-powered monitoring of your campaigns. Just fill in your marketing brief and tell us when you want to start. Congratulations, it's a match. Our AI-powered algorithm found the perfect marketing expert to grow your brand. Together, we will monitor your campaign, suggest new and exciting growth opportunities for your business, and put all the important information right at your fingertips. At Mayple, we make it easy to hire and work with the industry top vetted marketer that fits your niche, budget, and management style, so you can grow your business. Join Mayple, your digital marketing home.